Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Baparai Engineers. Today we discuss about single-phase motor starter with running and starting capacitor. This circuit work with 3-pole contactor. First we make connection with volt and ammeter. Then connect wires with contactor input terminal. After that connect wires with motor and capacitor. In last make control circuit. Wiring circuit get complete. Its working is like that, when we push green start button. Starting capacitor also gets energized, until we release the start push button. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more technical updates.